Music with Mr. Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr. Eldred, it's a video link, it's a little like Zoom. Yeah. Good morning and welcome to a very special singing assembly. It's very special because you're over in your classroom, in your bubble, and I'm over here in the music room in my bubble. But together we're going to join and make some wonderful music, some wonderful sounds, and fill the whole school with musicality. I'm going to start off in our usual way, warming up voices, with our Newington anthem that we stole from the scouting community. It's a bit more dip 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 than dop 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 as well. Everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, and where we come from. So we tell them, we're from Newington, and if they can't hear us, sing a little louder, yeah, we sing a little prouder. Sing them nice and loud, yeah, we 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 spoonful of the tuneful, spoonful of the tuneful, spoonful of the tuneful, spoonful of the tuneful. And now we're going to look at our musical scales. Scales are what musicians and singers sing through to try and warm up their voices so they can hit those all-important high and low notes. Now, we're going to do a range of scales, starting off with a la 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 game. The lyrics are incredibly easy. They go la 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 la. And what will happen is we'll start on C major, and I'll go la 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 la, your turn. Then you'll sing la 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 la, your turn. And then it'll be my turn again. La 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 la, your turn. And a la 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 la, your turn. And it goes right up the scales just to warm up our voices and get our voices ready for a big sing-song. So, starting in C major, my turn, your turn. La 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 la, your turn. Very good. Now D major. La 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 la, your turn. E major. La 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 la, your turn. And a la 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 la, your turn. That was F major. Now we're getting higher and higher. Some people misunderstand when I say sing higher, they just get louder. It doesn't mean louder, it's just a difference in pitch between low and high, low, high. Let's try a G major scale. You ready? My turn, your turn. La 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 la, your turn. A, la 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 la, your turn. Can I remember the chord of B major? Yes. Now the scale of B major. Ready? La 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 la, your turn. Finally, an octave higher, C major again. You can sing this. You've sung a whole octave of scales. More scales than on a slippery, slimy snake. You ready? La 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 la, your turn. Wow, excellent, fantastic. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Marvellous, marvellous, marvellous. And talking of marvellous, we're now going to sing our scales, but humming, as in marvellous, because we want to get our voices absolutely ready for action. Are you ready? It's the same game, but it's a my turn, your turn, your turn. Beautiful humming like a bunch of bees. D major, here we go, humming, my turn, your turn, your turn. E major, my turn, your turn. F, your turn. G, your turn, your turn. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Absolutely fantastic. To be honest, I didn't quite hit those last notes, but I'm sure you did, because your voices are young and youthful and keen, talented, whereas my voice is rather like an old mature cheese. Okay, our first song for the first singing assembly is our core value song for the term, and that core value is versatility, which makes a change. And versatility is all about how you react to changes, adapting to situations. Can you think of a more versatile situation that we're adapting to now, back in our smaller classes, away from each other, keeping social distance, having lessons zoomed or boomed into your classrooms, and yet you've all adapted so well and you're all versatility superheroes. And if we could have a badge made up saying you are versatile superheroes, that'd be wonderful. So this is called versatility. It starts off rather conversationally, may I say. How you feeling? Have you had a good day? How about tomorrow? What might be coming your way? What if things begin to change? Will you cope and find a way? Hey, hey. Not my proudest lyric, that one. When you settle, life can feel very safe. Then the change comes and your mind's blown away. What's in you begin to change? Will you still feel you're the same or strange? The chorus, you kind of knows it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Being adaptable means I'm standing tall to face every change. Take a while to face a change and be versatile. And the rest of the song is the same, repeats. So it starts off, how are you feeling? Have you had a good day? How about tomorrow? What might be coming your way? What if things begin to change? Will you cope and find a way? Hey, hey, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. How you feeling? Have you had a good day? I hope your day's going well. How about tomorrow? What might be coming your way? What if things begin to change? Will you cope and find a way? Settle, life can feel very safe. And then the change comes and your mind's blown away. What if you begin to change? Will you still feel you're the same or strange? You ready for that chorus, ready? Means I'm standing tall to face every change. Being versatile, but it may take a while to face a change and be versatile. Try the last verse again, ready? Being adaptable means I'm standing tall to face every change. Being versatile, but it may take a while to face a change and be be versatile. That's for you, my little versatile superstars. And we'll be learning all the words for that over the next few weeks. Okay, this next song is our school song. A song that involves all of our core values in one hit package, and talks about respect and all the things we aspire to be when we are at school. You sing this beautifully, and I remember Mr. Stokes a couple of terms ago being especially proud. He says he always feels immensely proud when he hears you singing this beautifully. So if you could send your lovely sound down the corridors towards Mr. Stokes, that would be wonderful. Now, we know the chorus, we all know the chorus, the youngest amongst us know that, so sing that as heartily as you can, and then we go for the words. The first verse you know very well, the other verses we'll learn over the term, so that by next year you'll all be very au fait with the whole lyric, and the year 6 you can take it up to year 7, you can keep singing it in your new school if you want to. So it goes, starts, we're proud that we are Newington Community Primary School. We believe in a future bright for all. First verse says, here we work together to do the best we can, reaching our ambition and believe in who I am. So try and aspire to the biggest thing you can get. Reach that ambition, go for it, set yourself a target, reach that target, work as a team. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we work together to do the best we can, reaching our ambition and believe in who I am. We're proud that we are Newington Community Primary School. We believe in a future bright for all. Second verse says, help me ask the questions so that I understand. You have to ask questions. That's how you find out your knowledge. That's how you learn. Discovering solutions together hand in hand. So find those solutions, find those answers. The hand in hand refers to our logo, doesn't it? On our Newington badge, the 4 hands working as a team. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Help me ask the questions so that I understand. Discovering solutions together hand in hand. We're proud that we are Newington Community Primary School. We believe in a future bright for all. The third verse is really important. It says, here we value friendship and do the best to care, respecting one another, making memories to share. So here we value friendship. It's so important to have friends, equally important to be a good friend, to do the best to care. If you can go to bed each day knowing you've cared for people, it's a wonderful feeling. Respecting one another, RESPECT, find out what it means to me, runs through all of our core values, respect. And finally, making memories to share. Just sounds like a Facebook app to me, but it's a lovely sentiment. Here we go. Here we value friendship to do the best to care, respecting one another, making memories to share. We're proud. Let's hear a bit louder. Yeah. Last verse says, as we take our journey, changing day by day, and you will change. That's where the versatility kicks in again. And it is a journey going through school. You're learning knowledge. May it never stop. May you always be a learner. We will be determined. That means don't give up. Rise to every challenge, and resilient along the way. When you show resilience, that's when if things go wrong, you don't give up. You just yes. You brush yourself off. You carry on. So let's sing this really proudly as we take our journey. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. As we take our journey, changing day by day, we will be determined and resilient primary school. We believe in a future bright for all. Now the end. Musically we stole off Black Bell's canon. And it says, a school that is built on celebration, ambition and achievement and aspiration. A school that is built on celebration, ambition and achievement and aspiration. A school that is built on celebration, ambition and achievement and aspiration. A school that is built on celebration, ambition and achievement and aspiration. We're proud that we are Newington Community Primary School. We believe in a future bright for all. Give yourselves a wonderful round of applause. I hope you enjoyed the Sing Assembly this morning, and I look forward to seeing you next week, where we're going to talk about a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Until then, keep happy, keep safe, keep well. I look forward to seeing you next week. Goodbye.
Music with Mr. Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr. Eldred, it's a video link, it's a little like Zoom. Yeah.